Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting the right tools and clearing a workspace. This saves time when the clip and spring are small. First, remove any housing or cover that blocks access and set the parts down in reading order so you remember orientation. You should identify how the spring sits in its notch and whether it is bent, stretched, or missing. Once done, use a small flathead to free the clip edge and make room to grasp the spring with pliers. You now focus on seating the spring correctly. Compress it gently with needle nose pliers and keep one end steady with tweezers. While holding compression, align the spring ends into their respective notches on the clip. This is the most precise step and benefits from slow motion. If the spring is fragile, support it against a fingertip to prevent kinking. Make sure the clip's mating surfaces sit flush so the spring will deliver even tension once released. Adjust until alignment is perfect. You finish by putting the housing or cover back on, pressing evenly to avoid shifting the clip or spring. Then test the mechanism through its full range of motion 5 to 10 times so the spring seats and any burrs wear in. If movement feels rough, apply a tiny drop of lubricant and repeat testing. If the clip slips, the spring has gaps, or tension is inconsistent, replace the spring. One new spring eliminates persistent alignment problems and restores reliable function.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.